Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2007 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 17,118 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, the Street Glide will need new rear shocks and passenger handholds. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 5/30 seconds, and the rear at 5/30 seconds as well. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs and shifts properly. Our technician has noted that the suspension is soft and the rear shocks are leaking and the exhaust pops on deceleration. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. The chrome on the passenger peg is bubbling, and there are wearing blemishes on the inner fairing. This bike has an owner's manual, 2 keys, and 2 fobs. It comes equipped with cruise control, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and a keyless ignition. It's been upgraded with 12-inch handlebars, a Mustang seat, a tour pack, a luggage rack, an aftermarket exhaust, fog lamps, an open stage 1 intake, grips, passenger floorboards, an LED headlight and LED taillight, LED turn signals, a Harley-Davidson windshield, and shifter pegs. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.